Right folks, another airport. Where we're heading? Riga. First beer of the trip. Cheers.
Cheers.
Aren't you sure you can manage all that, Carol?
It's half for you.
Is it?
Yeah. We'll just share.
That's our plane. Just missed our suitcase going on. Are we excited, Carol? Guys, finally made it to the hotel. What's the hotel called?
The Grand Poet.
It does look quite grand. I'll give you a quick look round the room. Don't think we've got much of a view. We've got a courtyard view, but looks nice. Chairs, big bed, sitting area here, desk and table here. Really nice bathroom. I'm not sure. The bath's deep, but there ain't no way I'm going to get stretched out in that. All looks really good. We're going to find Paul and Ali in the bar. Well, we're in the rather posh bar, the Grand Poet, and we've got our first drinks. And it's Madonna's. Madonna's? Madonna's. Anyway. Cheers. 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 There's the hotel. We're on floor 5. You alright?
Number 2, if we look straight ahead, kind of at that little street between the flower beds and the restaurant outdoor seating, you'll notice that the cobblestones, if you look real closely, are also not straight, they're kind of wavy like this. They say that the first ever decorated Christmas tree was in fact placed right here in Riga more than 500 years ago in the year 1510.
First beer of today. What's this one called then? Can you remember? Colonel
something.
Sass. Paul equates this to Nuki Brown. He's quite Nuki Brownish. River Daugava. That's the National Library of Latvia. That's a Riga Tower.
An architect and a sculptor.
Latvian Academy of Science. This is 16th floor now. We're going up again. We're going up to where the lift doesn't go. Oh wow, certainly have.
Yeah, that's worth €6, I think.
Yeah, definitely worth €6.
We could signpost it better.
Nobody's even checked the ticket, have they? You could have just walked in and come up.
Yeah.
Definitely got a good view of the TV tower over there though. There's the Riga Market halls, which we're going to call by later. And they are former Zeppelin hangars. And the tower over there is where we were walking around earlier. And we're still on that bridge over there, weren't we?
Yeah.
Get your bearings up here, can't you?
Yeah.
Definitely worth €6 to come up here.
Oh, it was.
Well, we're in the Zeppelin hangar, Carol. Or one of them. This looks like the meat hall. Wow. What? I don't know.
It's cheaper than where we were, where you told me.
It's fine, I wasn't what I said.
So what's yours?
That's the one down there. It's like a chestnut.
Chestnut
cask ale.
Mine's slightly fruity, but
For yours?
yeah, I think yours is nicer.
Yeah, I think that's nice as well.
But it's always nice to try something different here in Riga Market Hall. Quick look round. It's a nice way to relax from shopping, isn't it? Another bar, another drink. What's that? How do you pronounce that, Paul?
La Plessis.
And we've got iced coffee with amaretto. And Ali's pushing the boat out with pure vodka. That's the castle behind us. It's the Swedish Gate. Not quite sure what happened there. Well, welcome to the stage by Two More Beers, and we've actually got
2 more beers.
two more. No, we've got three more beers by Two More Beers and a cider. Cheers, cheers.
Is he drunk? Too drunk to drive? Yeah. You must stop him.
Oh, guys, here's the Freedom Monument. It's lively after midnight in
It's lively,
Riga,
yeah.
isn't it?
It's got quite a personality, this town.
Wow, what a night. Wow. Why is there a piston locked to the railing? That's what I want to know. Hey, it's a good view of the monument over there, look. Good morning, Saturday, and we're back at the Zeppelin hangars, or Riga Market. And I've got a feeling there's going to be beer involved later.
It's time in the morning.
Cheesecake and beer stalls are a favourite, we think. What are you doing, Carol?
Just sharing out the ice.
Ice with sugar tongs.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
Well, folks, mildly moist this morning. Afraid it's raining, folks. Warm rain. Have a boat ride.
Brian.
It's Brian. Hello, Brian. It's raining. Whoa. Well, folks, we've retired to the hotel bar, and Paul's ordered. What have you ordered there?
Anarchist.
Anarchist. Well, we've ordered the draft lager, which is quite nice.
Leo Vardes.
Leo Vardes.
Taste mine.
Gum.
It's a weird wine glass as well. It's not really big. It's a bit fragile, isn't it? It does. It's really good.
For mine. Got hints of fruit in that house.
It has, yes.
Fruit. Fruit needs to be kept out of beer, folks. And there's a tree full of bird boxes. Very unusual. Does look quite impressive. Ali says it's the final night sitting outside for this year. She might be right. Allah, is it Allah?
Allah Folkklubs.
Allah Folkklubs. And
I've got cider.
cider, but that doesn't look like cider.
No, I think it's got blackberries in it. It's very nice.
Yeah, Al's got a pot of something quite burnt looking.
Latvian dark beer.
Latvian dark beer.
I've got a Latvian lager.
And I've got a light Latvian lager. Menu looks good. Wow, mains have come. Stroganoff. What are you at?
Chicken roulade.
Chicken roulade.
Meatballs with sauerkraut.
And you've got a kilo of ham hock. Pork hock. Wow. Amazing. So how good was the Allah Folkklubs?
Food was amazing.
Absolutely amazing. What a great night. Well, last morning before we head back, the weather's got better. That bridge is looking a bit rusty, Carol. Look, it's falling apart. Are we driving over that on the way back to the airport? You seen the state of it? That's Russian engineering for you. That's got some serious structural problems, that has, look. Wow. Hi guys. Oldest buildings in Riga, the Three Brothers. (1646). Top of that's leaning back quite a long way. There's a Parliament building. There's a guy just got his feet up at the back. He wasn't bothering pedaling at all. There's the rainbow. Well, folks, final beer in Latvia. Cheers. 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 Yeah.